Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising Repair. We're in Batavia today, this rainy day, and we're at Bellevue Homeowners Association. We've been contracted here by their property management company to do phase 2 of raising and leveling different areas of sidewalks throughout this community. This is a repeat customer for us. You know, we've been through here once before doing phase 1, and like many HOAs, you know, on budgets, can't do everything all in one season. So these people have broken this up into different phases, and today we're here starting phase 2. I'm going to show you a few things that we're working on here, fixing step height issues, pitch issues, getting rid of trip hazards and the like. So we're going to check out those areas now. So here we are in a common walkway area. We have 3 entrances across here. There's issues with every entrance. And these are critical areas. People are coming and going through here all the time. Elderly, kids especially, are susceptible to trip hazards and incorrect slopes of things. And this is a great example. So this step right here is 7.5 inches. When we come up here, the step is over 8 inches. And when I put my level on this piece of concrete, it is pitched way down. So this really all needs to come up to about here to be a level surface that with a normal pitch that still drains water, but isn't gonna be, you know, like a slide when it's slippery out. So once we raise this, then we're also gonna have to raise a lot of the concrete walkway down to the other entryways. So right here's another good example. This sidewalk, while it's not up against the foundation, it is still pitching water towards the building, which is never ideal. So we need to come through here and level all of this so that it's a nice, comfortable walking pathway, and it's pitching and shedding water off to the sides and not sending everything to the house. Here's another step that has fallen really bad. And we actually have over an 8-inch step here also, where these are all supposed to be around 7. So this entire structure is going to get raised, and it's leaning down again too hard. We're going to tip it back and get a normal pitch on this. Of course, once we do all of that, we're going to have to raise all of this area too to match it. So here we are, more common walkway. And look at this trip hazard. This one is over 2 inches tall. And obviously we have a tree here, and tree root is growing, I'm sure, underneath the slab, picking up that edge, causing the trip hazard, and also causing this incorrect pitch, pushing water all towards the building. But we're going to come through all of these areas and lift this all up to get it correctly pitched. And the problems just continue. We come down through here, and all of this is pitched incorrectly, sunken, and we have another 2-inch trip hazard here and another trip hazard down here. And finally, at our last entryway, not hard to tell. There's a trip hazard right here, very obvious one, and this step is tremendously tall. We're about 10 inches. So we're going to raise all of this concrete back up to where we have a 7-inch step, a 7-inch step, and level walkway.
In this time-lapse sequence, you're watching a highly specialized process unfold, one that goes far beyond simply lifting concrete. The first step is the strategic placement of injection holes. These are not random. They're carefully selected by our certified technicians based on slab size, weight, and known subgrade conditions. Proper hole placement ensures even lift distribution and long-term slab stability. It also minimizes internal stress on the slab and reduces the chances of cracking during and after lifting. Once the holes are drilled, we use an air-purged polyurethane injection system, a key part of our smart lift system. The air purge function clears the injection pathway, ensuring that the polyurethane flows easily and spreads optimally beneath the slab. This matters. It helps avoid costly backups and ensures the material flows laterally, covering more ground and creating a broader lifting footprint. In fact, lifting the concrete is the simple part of the job. Lifting concrete in a way that results in a properly supported slab is what separates the experts from the amateurs and makes the difference between a long-term repair and a temporary fix. As the polyurethane is injected, it expands and pushes down on the subgrade with the same force needed to raise the slab. That force doesn't just move the concrete, it actively compacts weak or loose soils beneath it. This dual action, lifting and stabilizing, helps solve the root causes of settling. In fact, the more resistance a slab gives us, whether from weight or being pinned by adjacent slabs, the more compaction benefit we get beneath it. That is a win-win situation. Another major advantage, we use high-density polyurethane, formulated to meet and exceed highway grade compressive strength standards. It cures quickly, it is non-biodegradable, and it is strong enough to support everything from foot traffic to heavy trucks in minutes. With Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, HOA communities get more than a cosmetic fix. We deliver real structural improvement with long-term value built in. Backed by our certified crews and unbeatable track record, this is concrete raising done right. When performance, efficiency, and reliability matter, Acme delivers results that outperform the alternatives and stand the test of time.